If you have ever managed a project where everything feels unclear, this will sound familiar. Requirements are not final. Stakeholders are still aligning. Dependencies are open. The team is working. The dashboard is green. And yet, something feels fragile. That feeling is not incompetence. It is ambiguity. And most project manager stress does not come from workload. It comes from carrying ambiguity silently. First, a reset. Ambiguity is not a project failure. It is the default condition of modern software work. Solutions are discovered while building. Users refine needs after seeing results. Trade-offs appear late. Dependencies surface under pressure. So if your project feels unclear, you are not doing it wrong. The difference between calm project managers and stressed project managers is not experience, it is how they handle ambiguity. Stressed project managers try to remove ambiguity completely before moving forward. Calm project managers do something different. They convert ambiguity into decisions and tests. Gradually, deliberately. Let's talk about what ambiguity actually looks like. It is rarely total confusion. It hides inside busy work, vague outcomes, unowned decisions, shifting priorities, hidden dependencies, work that is almost done but not integrated or accepted. Under pressure, teams respond in a predictable way. They add coordination, more meetings, more updates, more documentation. The system becomes louder, but clarity does not increase. This is why ambiguity is dangerous. It does not fail early, it fails late. Early on, ambiguity feels like flexibility. Later, it becomes rework, delays, budget burn, last-minute escalations. Ambiguity compounds quietly until delivery collapses near the end. So the goal is not perfect clarity. The goal is visible ambiguity that shrinks over time. Here is the first calm move. Name the ambiguity. Do not carry it silently. There are only 3 types that matter. Outcome ambiguity. What does success actually mean? Decision ambiguity. Who decides, and by when? Interface ambiguity. What does this depend on, or integrate with? If you can name it, you can manage it. If you cannot, it becomes anxiety. The second calm move is to convert ambiguity into a decision request. Most teams keep ambiguity as discussion. Calm teams turn it into a decision. A simple structure works. What decision is needed? What are the real options? What are the trade-offs? What do you recommend? By when must this be decided? And what happens if no decision is made? Projects rarely stall because work is slow. They stall because decisions do not land. The third calm move is to close clarity gaps through tests, not documents. When someone says, "We will know later," or "It depends," or "We need more analysis," ask one calm question. What is the smallest test we can run this week to learn the truth? A prototype, a spike, a thin slice, a user check, an integration test. Documents can help, but only if they end in a decision, a test, or a clear acceptance. Otherwise, they are motion. Now, how do you deliver steadily when everything is unclear? Do not aim for full certainty. Aim for thin slice certainty. Build the smallest usable part. Integrate early. Demo frequently. Validate assumptions. Reduce unknowns one by one. A calm weekly rhythm helps. Each week, reduce one major unknown. Land one decision. And demonstrate something real. This is how predictability emerges inside uncertainty. Finally, the mindset shift. You are not responsible for eliminating ambiguity. You are responsible for managing it visibly. A calm project manager can always answer 4 questions. What is unclear right now? Who must decide? What is the smallest test? And when does this assumption expire? If you can answer those, the project may still be complex, but you will not be trapped inside it. Calm is not the absence of pressure. It is clarity inside pressure.